How to prevent overheating and excess fan noise on any Dell XPS. Details will be in the description. So the background is that I bought my Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 7390, and on non-demanding tasks it would become hot and the fans would turn on. I also noticed the battery draining faster than I expected, and this made no sense to me considering how light the tasks were. Once I left my room and there was just a single Chrome tab open, when I returned the laptop was extremely hot and the fans were blasting at max, and that's when I knew this was a real problem. So I was able to solve this with 4 simple steps, and to this day the laptop remains cool under normal usage, and the battery life has vastly improved. So it shouldn't take you too long to do. So the 4 steps are to roll back the BIOS version, to enable C-State control, disable Turboboost, and install a program called Dell Power Manager. So let's begin with step 1, rolling back the BIOS. First, you're going to go to your browser and go to the Dell website. Next, you're going to go to the support tab and go to product support. There you're going to find the model of your laptop, either by searching through the service tag, or if your browser has automatically detected it, just going through that. Go over to the drivers and downloads tab, scroll down until you find a BIOS update. Now don't click on download, click on the arrow next to it and click on older versions. And what you want to download is 1.3.1. Scroll down and click download file. Once it's downloaded, open the file. Press update, wait for the update to finish, and once it's finished, click restart. Now this alone may be enough, but let's move on to step 2. Restart your computer. And just a note that you don't have to disable Turboboost. Again, like I said, most likely the BIOS rollback is the most important step, but I did it and everything's functioning fine. So if you don't mind sacrificing that extra juice, might be worth it. Enabling C-State control should improve battery life. So once the Dell logo appears, you repeatedly press F2 on the keyboard and that enters BIOS setup. Now you navigate to the performance tab, and what you want to do is enable C-State control and disable Intel Turboboost technology and apply your changes. And with that prompt, just press OK and then exit. Then the computer should restart. Now the final step is installing a program called Dell Power Manager. So open the Microsoft Store app and go to the search box, search for Dell Power Manager. So once you found it, download it and launch it. And what this program allows you to do, it allows you to do a bunch of things, but what we're interested today is it allows you to control your laptop's thermal management. More details about the different settings will be available in the description. Go to the thermal management tab and select the optimize setting. That's the one I recommend. Again, check the description for what the other ones do. With those 4 changes, all my problems were solved, and I hope it does the same for you. Please let me know if this worked in the comments or if it did not. If it hasn't, then I will try and post some additional suggestions to help you guys out. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, I appreciate your support.